Tired of your podcast getting lost in the digital noise? Let's unlock the secrets to Buzzsprout podcast optimization and make your show shine. First things first, click on your episode in Buzzsprout and select the edit option. This will be your command center for optimization. Let's dive deep into tags and titles, key components to growing your audience. Let's start with the title. Your episode title is the first thing listeners see, and a strong one is key. Think, what's the core topic? Include relevant keywords that listeners will naturally search for. Avoid clickbait. Clarity is king. Next up, the description. This is your chance to elaborate and enhance your titles. Include a detailed summary of what each episode is about, ensuring you add a few core keywords. Use bullet points here and there to organize things. Now, let's move to the tag section. This is where your strategic keyword placement really shines. Buzzsprout allows multiple tags. Use them. Think about what someone would search for to find your podcast. Consider broad and specific keywords. Make sure they apply to your episode. Implement these strategies, track your podcast's statistics on Buzzsprout, and watch your audience grow. Good luck, and happy podcasting.